But let me tell you something. One day, shortly after that, something happened. And to this very day, I don't quite understand exactly what really transpired. But I woke up and I was different. I woke up and like life just seemed different to me. I felt different. The air seemed different. Colors seemed more vibrant. I felt lighter. I didn't feel depressed anymore. I don't know what happened, but something happened. A switch, a transformation, a sudden, I don't know, rebirth. And from that day, trading was different. I remember that day as if I saw things clearer. I saw almost behind the events that were happening in the markets. It was almost like I was guided. And it was the moment of arrival. You see, the people who are chosen by this mode experience their arrival like that. You see, it's not like it was happening. It's not like it happens like that. It was happening all along. It was just happening underneath the soil, underneath the breakout point, where no one can see it, not even you. And one day, you wake up and boom, the seed that you planted, the miracle that was happening that was not evident that the miracle was happening above ground, but underground, taking root, germinating, growing strong, becoming better, becoming more solid, becoming more secure, but all underground, all not being seen by anyone. And one morning you wake up and there's the sprout above ground. Not that it happened in one day like it's some magical event. It's just that in one day it became evident. Finally. I would say that this total period lasted 6 years. In total, 6 years. And then there was a period of getting used to the new me, getting used to the new trader, getting used to this new birth, stabilizing it. It was there now. It took a period of time. But from that moment, I was never the same.